When talking about automation modes, and especially the role of human drivers in ensuring safe operation of vehicles, it's essential to have something that's clear, straightforward, and simple. This is a 4-row chart that shows 4 different modes that tries to make it very clear what the human driver role is in driving, driving safety, and other safety. The first mode is the one that current drivers are generally familiar with, called Assistive operating mode. In this mode, the human role is traditional driving. The human takes care of driving safety as well as other safety. The next mode is Supervised mode. In this mode, the human's responsible not for driving. The car does the actual driving task, but the human driver is responsible for driving safety. And that means eyes on the road. The human's also responsible for other safety. Together, these 2 modes are driver assistance. An important line is crossed when entering automated mode. In automated mode, the human driver is allowed to take eyes off the road because the car is entirely responsible for both driving and driving safety. There still needs to be a human driver, but it's not really a driver so much as a captain of the ship. There needs to be a responsible person in charge of things that aren't driving but are safety related. For example, making sure the kids are buckled up in the back seat, and making sure that any cargo is both safe to transport and stowed correctly. Finally, in autonomous mode, there's no human with any responsible role for the operation of the vehicle, including the car does all the driving, the car is in charge of the driving safety, and the car is responsible for all other safety as well. Think about it. If you have an uncrewed delivery bot and there's nobody continuously watching every single second remotely, that means safety's all on the vehicle, and that would be autonomous mode. The important thing for this view of the modes is that driving safety depends on the human driver when there's a driver assistance set of modes, assistive and supervised, and driving safety depends on the car in automated driving modes, automated and autonomous.